everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Maria Fernanda Duarte. I'm an attorney at Capital M Law, and today I'm going to guide you on how to extend your current Colombian tourist permission process. This is a very simple process, but you want to do it correctly so you make sure you stay in Colombia legally. First thing is that we are here at the Migración Colombia official website. We are in the section of Trámites y Servicios, and we selected Permiso Temporal de Permanencia, PTP, or Prórroga de Permanencia. In this website, you can also find all the information about this procedure. And let's go. The first step would be to fill out the Formulario Único de Trámites, or FUT. This is the general form for some Migración Colombia procedures. In this section, you want to select the option of Permiso Temporal de Permanencia para prorrogar permanencia, PTP, which is the procedure we are going to perform right now. And you want to select the office or the city in which you are currently. We're going to select Medellin now. And here there is the information about your personal data, the emergency contact, the files, and the consent. Here you want to put the information just exactly as it is in your passport. Make sure to don't commit any mistakes because it might be rejected. Here we're going to select this information. You want to select yes or C here and type your email address. And in the section of files, you want to have ready your scanned passport merged with your latest entry stamp to Colombia. Sometimes they might require additional documents such as an exit ticket to approve your extension, or in the case of minors, they might require a birth certificate or a document stating the custody of the child. But mainly you will need just your passport and your latest entry stamp to Colombia. After you submit here the documents, you want to make sure you authorize your personal data and to give consent. After you have fill out and send this form, this should generate this information about the número generado, which is the unique identification number in which your application will be identified, and the email address that you select, and the date of when you sent the form. Okay, after you fill out this form correctly, you should receive this email to your email address in which they will send you again the Código Único de Trámites, the number of identification of the procedure. They will send you also a link, an application number, and a password. You want to save this information because here is where you can check the status of your tourism permit. Here you just copy and paste the application number and the password or clave. And here you can see the information about this process. For example, here is already finished, but you should have here in the estado de trámite the information of the status of your application. After 1, 3, or 2 weeks after you submit your application to extend your current tourist permit, you should receive an email from Migración again, in which they require the payment for the government fee for this process. There are some nationalities that are exempt of this payment, such as Switzerland and some other countries. But generally, this government fee is 143,000 Colombian pesos for 2025 government fee. And the payment is performed with the same link and with the same usuario or information and the same password that they will send to your email. There you can make payment, and after you make the payment, you should receive a response soon, within 1 or 3 days. You should receive another email in which is Migración Colombia, trámite de prórroga en línea, entrega, in which they deliver to you virtually your tourism permit document extend for the extra days you have in the country. This document should look like this one. Remember that we also have this tutorial in our website, capitaleme.com, and you want to save it to prove that you are legally in Colombia. Remember that if you need any legal consultations any visa service, any legal advice, please feel free to book an appointment with us via Calendly. Our initial consultation is only 175,000 Colombian pesos, and you can book it virtually. We can have it virtually or at our office in Medellin. And please remember to subscribe our YouTube channel and stay tuned because we are going to keep posting this kind of tutorials and valuable information of Colombian visas, Colombian law, Colombian immigration investment, and more. Thank you.